Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Pavoni European espresso machine. Now this machine is 1 year old, and it was brought here because it was not heating up properly, and we just needed to reset the thermostat that is located at the bottom of the heating element. After we reset it, the machine was working fine. It was pressurizing to 1.2 bars. We had a special gauge that we installed on these machines that we were able to check the temperature, and it was at 1.2 bars, so it was at the right temperature. We did notice some of the gaskets worn out, especially the gasket around the group head is getting a little flat. The gasket around the steamer knob as well is getting a little bit concave, so it's not really the circular gasket that it should be. It has a little bit of shape, and it has another extra layer of gasket in there that we're not 100% sure what it was. I think it was just to kind of compensate the space of the boiler knob, but we didn't really mess around with that. And just regular gaskets that might need to be also replaced, especially around the piston, the group head itself and stuff. So right now we're just gonna test out the machine. I already have the portafilter prepared. We're using Solo Coffee, the one that is over there, with our Elite Bianca grind. So hopefully it's a good grind for this machine. Otherwise it will be too fine, and we're barely going to see any kind of coffee coming out from the portafilter. So alright, we're just gonna put it in here all the way. Get a little cup and just raise the lever all the way up. Wait at least 1, 2, 3, 4 seconds approximately, or until you see that little kind of one drop coming out from the portafilter. So basically how much you can leave it, and then you can just start pressing and extracting the coffee. As you can see, there's a little bit of steam coming out from the group head, and that's basically one of the gaskets I was saying that is just not able to, that is kind of flat and is not sealing properly, especially when you're using the lever. There you go. Now I'm gonna stop it over here as this grind is a little too fine for this machine, and we're losing some steam and pressure from the boiler itself because one of those gaskets is worn out. So I'm just gonna leave it right here. We're able to get a good shot of espresso with good crema, but it's not the best experience to pull this lever while you have gaskets leaking. Steam for this machine, as you can see, nice steam coming out from the one itself, looking great. And just to show the group head, there you go, depressurize it. There you go, just to show you the portafilter, looking good. And good flow coming out from this machine. So there you have it, the Pavoni European healing once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit a like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.